Hey guys, welcome back. Another cool unboxing. And I bet you don't see this one every day. This is an AMT kit by Matchbox, Lesney Corporation. 1/43rd scale model kit. Snap, fit, and it's the Street Magic. And that's just too cool. I've had this one. I believe Mark at Hobby Nut Models gifted me this, and I've never cracked the seal, and I think this will be my next build. So I'm going to open it on this video. We're going to check it out, then I'm going to get started on it. What is this, about a late 60s? I don't know. Torino. I don't think it has a year, does it? It says 1981 for Lesney. I mean, that's not the year of the car, but the model kit's 1981. And that's right at the end of Lesney's stint of owning AMT. Actually, also, you can see right here, I guess because these were still boxed. Yeah, you see the sticker is under, I mean, this paper is under the plastic. So apparently Ertl, it's pretty obvious because Ertl's name is on right there. I guess Ertl had bought them out, and they were still had some existing under the Matchbox name. But Ertl bought AMT, and Matchbox went away, and it says Ertl number 6762FO, and that supersedes the AMT number 2107, which this is the 2107 kit. So this was after Ertl had purchased AMT from Lesney. Right there. There it goes. AMT trademarks of Lesney products, London, England. But anyway, pretty cool, and even more cool if it would focus. There we go. So I'm gonna open this thing and gonna check it out. I thought this whole time it was a 1/32nd kit. Did have no idea that it was a 1/43rd. I didn't even pay attention. So 1981. The 1981 air is still in here, by the way, because this thing is sealed. I mean, like, it's like you can tell that there's no air. So that 1981 air is about to be released out of here. I know Steve Bignanti, he would do that. He would like smell the air out of a new kit or something. There it goes. It's out. It's done. Ooh, that's crispy. Very crispy. Let me see. It does have a cardboard and plastic smell to it. I don't know if that's what the factory smelled like. Anyway, it's got 20 pieces. So let's open it. Doesn't make a lot of noise. Oh, cool. This is going to be so awesome. Holy moly, this is going to be too cool. I can't wait to get started on this. Oh my, that's nice. Look at that. It even has Torino. So if I can get focused in on it. Torino. You'd never be able to paint that in a million years. I mean, maybe there's some people that, oh man, look at that. Is that tire burn? Yeah, from the tire tree. Dang it. At least I don't think the windows weren't in there. They were saved. But anyway, that's okay. I can fix that. Yeah, what a cool, detailed little body. Nice panel lines. Almost as if the doors would open and the hood and all would open up on it. They're so deep and nice. That's going to be really cool. There's a major parting line right there, though. Holy moly. How in the world? I have to scrape that with the razor and hope to clean that up. But yeah, this is gonna be my next one. Man, how cool is that? That is something else. So what year is this? Like a 68? 69? Does it say, possibly, in the instructions? Probably not. This is all just different language literature. Doesn't say anything about the car. It's got the steps. First step, let's put the wheels together, and then put the steering wheel in. Mount the dash into the tub. Mount that to the body. Stick them to the axles. Axles to the frame. Body to the frame. Bumpers. That's it. Neato. Alright, let's look at the rest of this stuff. Oh, there's the decal sheet. Oh, those look good. Those look really good. Wow. Look at that gloss. They are all one piece too. You'd have to cut them all out separate, but that's fine. Man, that is cool. Yeah, that's neat. So it's got the stripes on the hood and down the rear and on the roof. I'll check into that. Alright, let's look at the rest of these parts. What else is ruined by the little tree? There's your tires. They're super plush. Or plush? Is that what it is? It's soft. Okay. They do have writing on them. Holy cow. Goodyear. There ain't no way I'm gonna make out the size, but it is on there. It's got the size. It's got wide track or something. Wide tread. That's really neat. And then this tread is just straight lines. Wow. Those are neat. Like I say, it's just as soft and pliable as maybe the day they made it. I don't know. Maybe they soften up over time. People do sometimes. They soften up over time. There's your bumpers, or your grills rather. Those are going to look good with some nice chrome paint on them. There's your Torino wheels. You know what? That reminds me. I was supposed to cast. Wow, this has been a. Sorry, Mark. I'm pretty sure he sent a set of wheels that I've got that I was casting for him, and they were from a Torino kit just like this. I believe they are, because that just reminded me that's how they look. Okay, I'll get back on that. Sorry, I know you totally think I forgot. I did. And it's the 1969. There's the date right there on the rear. Here's your interior tub. Looks really nice. Beast of paint, but looks really cool. It's just going to be one color. And maybe I could get in there and paint the floor black. Possibly. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe. Yeah. And there's the chassis. That is really detailed for, I know it's a promo style, but that is really detailed for just a little tiny 1/43 scale. It looks great. And then the steering wheel, look at that. Looks like the steering wheel's been in a bad accident. That'll be okay. We'll straighten it out. And the dashboard. And the other axle. Get out of there. The dash. It's got the instrument clusters all. It's just so little. There's a lot of little detail on there. Man, that's too cool. Alright. That's it. So I'm going to build this little guy. So I won't even rebox it all. And I'll take it, move it right over to the other bench. I didn't show you the windows, but anyway, there they are. Window glass. That big back Torino glass. Awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the build video. I don't know if it'll be one part or two or what, but anyway, what a cool little model kit. Mark, I'll get back on those wheels for you. I apologize. Total loss of recollection there. But anyway, AMT Torino Street Magic Snap Tight Kit, or Snap Fit Kit, 143rd scale. This is going to be fun. Have you ever built this kit? You guys ever built this Street Magic Torino? Let me know in the comments if you have. And speaking of Torino, I had a one of the first little jobs I had was working at a filling station, gas station, full service. So I would, you know, check the oil and gas and wash the windshield and all that stuff. And the owners here in Nahunta, his name was Tim Woodard. It was two brothers, Tim, Jim, and Jimmy was the dad. They owned Woodard's Auto Center, and I worked there. And Tim had a 70 or 71 Torino 429 car. It was not a Cobra Jet car, but it was a 429, and it was completely stock. My dad restored it for him. It was amazing looking, cool as can be. And I think the engine may have even been original. I don't even know if they rebuilt it. They probably did. They had an engine machine shop also. But anyway, he put nitrous on that thing, and he had it. The nitrous was not a button, but it was hooked into the throttle. So when he full throttled, it would when he turned the nitrous on, it would, you know, it would have a 75 shot of nitrous, I think is what he had. And I rode in it one night. Man, that thing would go. Boy, when he hit the nitrous, wow. Just 75 extra horsepower at the flip of a switch like that, something else. But that's my only dealings with a Torino, or a real one. But yeah, it was a cool car. Anyway, this is going to be fun. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. As always, go check out hobbynutmodels.com. It's where this came from. I don't think this was ever listed on the site, but anyway, go check out hobbynutmodels.com. It's always linked in the description below. Go grab yourself some paint, model kit, everything that goes along with that. Mark's got a lot of stuff over there. Go check it out. A lot of new products too. If you like Tamiya rattle cans, he's got those. He's also got airbrushes and obviously MCW paint, Tamiya paints, and all those things. So go check out hobbynutmodels.com. Use the link down below. If you do use that link and happen to purchase something, I will get a little credit for it, so I'd appreciate that. And thanks to all my Facebook participants and to the Patreon guys. Anyway guys, all right, be watching out for my video on this. And until then, we'll see you guys. Take care. Bye.